In this video, we listed the 5 best drawing tablet on Aliexpress that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. XPPen Artist 15.6 Pro. The XPPen Artist 15.6 Pro is a professional pen tablet monitor designed for artists and creators, offering a full HD resolution of 1920 by 1080 on a 15.6-inch display. With an impressive 8,192 levels of pressure sensitivity and a tilt functionality of up to 60 degrees, it allows for precise and natural drawing experiences. The tablet features a full laminated screen technology that enhances color accuracy, 88% NTSC and 120% sRGB, while minimizing visual distractions, all within a slim profile of 11mm. It includes 8 customizable shortcut keys and a red dial for improved workflow efficiency. The Artist 15.6 Pro is equipped with a battery-free stylus and is compatible with major operating systems like Windows and Mac, as well as numerous graphic software applications. Designed for portability and ease of use, it's perfect for artists, designers, and professionals seeking a reliable drawing tablet for digital artwork. Note that it requires connection to a computer to function and is not a standalone device. Number 2. XPPen Artist 13.3 Pro. The XPPen Artist 13.3 Pro is a portable pen tablet monitor designed to enhance creativity and productivity for artists and professionals alike. Featuring a 13.3-inch fully laminated display with a resolution of 1920 by 1080 pixels, it provides exceptional color accuracy with an 88% NTSC color gamut and a wide viewing angle of 178 degrees. The tablet supports 8,192 levels of pressure sensitivity and a natural tilt of up to 60 degrees, enabling smooth and precise drawing experiences. With a user-friendly interface that includes 8 customizable shortcut keys and a dial, users can streamline their creative workflow. The Artist 13.3 Pro is compatible with various operating systems, including Windows and Mac OS, and works seamlessly with popular digital art software. Connectivity is straightforward with a 3-in-1 cable design, eliminating the need for additional adapters. Despite its compact size, it is designed for professional use, making it suitable for artists, designers, educators, and students, while the inclusion of essential accessories ensures a complete drawing experience. Number 3. GAOMON PD156 PRO Graphics Tablet. The GAOMON PD156 PRO is a 15.6-inch pen tablet monitor that offers an impressive full HD resolution of 1920 by 1080 pixels, providing a vibrant and detailed visual experience for artists and designers. It features an advanced battery-free pen with 8,192 levels of pressure sensitivity and a tilt function of up to 60 degrees, enabling users to create intricate details in their artwork without the hassle of charging. The tablet showcases an IPS display with an 88% NTSC color gamut, ensuring accurate color reproduction and a viewing angle of 178 degrees. Designed for ease of use, it includes 9 customizable express keys, an OSD menu button, and a functional quick dial for efficient workflow. The device supports both Windows and Mac OS, making it compatible with various drawing software like Photoshop and Illustrator. With its sturdy build and included accessories, including an adjustable stand and protective bag, the GAOMON PD156 PRO is tailored for creative professionals looking for high performance and versatility in digital drawing. Number 4. GAOMON PD1161 Tablet. The GAOMON PD1161 is a portable 11.6-inch digital pen tablet monitor designed for artists and professionals, featuring a full HD resolution of 1920 by 1080 pixels and an IPS screen for vibrant colors and wide viewing angles. It offers 8,192 levels of pressure sensitivity through its battery-free ArtPaint AP50 pen, ensuring precise and natural line work. Weighing only 866 grams, it is lightweight and easy to transport, making it an ideal choice for on-the-go creativity. The tablet includes 8 customizable shortcut keys and additional menu buttons for enhancing efficiency during creative tasks. Compatibility with Windows 7 and macOS 10.12 or later, as well as support for various graphics software, makes it versatile for drawing, photo editing, and digital illustration. The tablet connects via mini HDMI and Type-C ports, providing seamless integration with computers, while also enabling direct annotation and drawing on documents and during virtual meetings. GAOMON's commitment to quality is backed by a 1-year warranty, and their innovative technology aims to meet the needs of artists and designers worldwide. Number 5. Huion Kamvas 13 Graphics Tablet. The Huion Kamvas 13 is a versatile graphic tablet designed for digital artists, featuring a 13.3-inch Full HD IPS display with a resolution of 1920 by 1080 and a color gamut of 120% sRGB, ensuring vivid and accurate colors. With a slim profile of 11.8 mm and a lightweight design at 980G, it offers portability for on-the-go creativity. The device supports various connectivity options, including USB-C and HDMI, allowing it to easily connect to compatible laptops and Android devices, with power supplied directly through the USB connection. The Kamvas 13 incorporates advanced features like PenTech 3.0 technology, providing a battery-free pen experience with 8,192 pressure levels and plus or minus 60-degree tilt support for a lifelike drawing feel. Additionally, the tablet includes 8 customizable express keys for enhanced workflow and supports multiple operating systems, including Windows, Mac OS, and select Android devices. The full laminated screen reduces parallax, and the anti-glare coating enhances usability in bright environments, making it an excellent choice for artists seeking comfort and flexibility in their creative process. The package includes the Kamvas 13 display, digital pen PW517, USB-C cable, pen holder, extra nibs, and a quick start guide.